Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Daly City, the gateway to San Francisco Peninsula. Just 15 minutes away from downtown San Francisco, the city that is booming out of control. Actually, one of my favorite cities in all of the Bay Area. Today, we are taking a look at a brand new renovation that just finished recently. And if you remember, just a few weeks back, this property was still under construction, but has finally been completed. You will not believe the renovations that has been done to this property. Let's go check it out. Howdy friends, welcome to the brand new foyer. We have brand new recessed lights, brand new flooring. We even have a table. But what's different, what's amazing is the living room. Come check it out. Check out this amazing living room. First of all, let's not forget the fireplace that's still here. If you want to go old school, you can still burn some coal and whatnot. Now let's hop over to the dining area. If you remember, back then, the chandelier was completely different, so we ripped that out, put in a brand new one, and opened up the wall here. There was no wall here before. But my favorite part of this renovation would have to be the kitchen, because these quartz just so bright, so beautiful. This makes me want to eat dinner over here. Brand new quartz, same thing, recessed lighting everywhere really. We have new fixtures here, new windows, new appliances, and especially new cabinets over in the kitchen area here. As we come back into the foyer here, we're gonna go to the first bedroom, so come check it out. Right now it's set up to be an office, but of course, easily can be changed into a bedroom. Back into the hallway here, we have the newly renovated bathroom. Come check it out.
Everything is brand new, from the fixtures, the tiles, to the flooring, the windows, the bathtub itself is just stunning to look at.
You cannot forget the closet in the hallway. Look how spacious this is. All right, let's come down here to the second bedroom. We have bedroom number 2. Very nice, actually. Third bedroom, nothing too fancy. Simple bed, couple things here, but the master is where I want to take a look at. If we just go over here to the master bedroom, boom! Check out how spacious this bedroom is. A brand new light in the master bedroom, and of course, the newly renovated bathroom. Aside from the 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs, there is an additional bedroom downstairs and a bonus room that you can have fun, entertain your friends, guests, whoever. Let's go check it out. Look how massive this room is. Look at this. So much space for a pool table, maybe an arcade. I mean, you could put a TV here, maybe a 85-inch TV, and it still looks small in this massive room here. So where's the bedroom? If you go to my right here, there is a final 5th bedroom here that is amazing. Come check it out. So if you have any guests or friends that want to stay over in the beautiful city of Daly City, this would be an ideal spot for them. 15 minutes from downtown, 5 minutes from Phil's Coffee. Just a gem in the city of Daly City. Well, that's it for me today. Hope you enjoyed this tour. Don't forget to leave a like. If you want to see more of this property or any other property in person, give me a call. Do not hesitate. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.